Tuesdays, it's just me because...
Yeah. Well, where are the other people on Tuesdays?
Oh, well, they just... some have to go to grocery stores and do stuff all the time.
Yeah.
That's really...
Makes them kind of busy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And some are sick and stuff.
Do you have a different magazine or is it the same one?
This one's up magazines and that.
Oh, alright. Can I read this one?
And that's not a magazine, that's a book.
Can I read the Fancy Nancy book?
Sure, that's not a
This is? Is this like a costume catalog?
Yeah, but there's no stickers or anything.
That's okay. Could I look in here and decide different costumes for my kids?
Okay.
Okay.
I was gonna get a Wonder Woman costume.
Oh, you're going to be Wonder Woman for Halloween this year? That's fantastic.
She's being balloons for it. Those are balloons grapes, and she's a strawberry.
That's a clever idea, huh?
Clever. See, Papa's back. Papa's up
Mm-hmm.
there.
Pop everywhere, right? So how long have you been cutting hair?
For years and years I've been here, but
How many?
probably 40.
40 years? Fantastic. If you don't mind me asking, how old are you?
21.
Oh.
Pretty much your mommy's 21.
Yeah, I know, right?
It's hard to get birthdays and do school and stuff. That's all they...
It is. It's hard to do all that. But you seem to have it down. You seem to be able to do it pretty well, huh?
Yeah, so
Oh, that's good, right?
that's good.
Do you have kids?
I do. I only have like a girl.
Just a girl? What's her name?
Ella.
Ella. Oh, that's a beautiful name.
She's home with her dad and stuff.
She is?
She's always home with him.
With someone, yeah. How old is she?
She's almost 7.
Really? Oh.
She's 6.
What's she going to be for Halloween?
She was thinking she wanted to be a Barbie doll.
How cute! That's a great idea.
Trying to get Barbie doll clothes. She was like,
Just trying to find something that would...
do you want this for a Barbie doll clothes? And she, nuh-uh. She was like,
And
want
you're like, well,
this?
what do you want,
do you
right?
want this? Do you want this? Do you want this? I'm like, now she wants to be a princess because
Barbie doll just didn't work out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Which princess? Does she have a favorite?
She loves Tinkerbell.
She does. Oh. How's my hair coming out?
Good.
It is?
And it has to be wet.
Yeah. Should I cut any of it or keep it long?
Keep it long. I don't even have to cut it.
Oh, okay.
So like,
Do you do most hair long or do you ever cut people's hair?
sometimes I like it really short, so I raise it.
Mm-hmm. Oh, use a razor on it?
Yeah, only for boys.
For boys? Oh, you cut boys' hair too?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Boys and girls.
I'll have to bring I have 2 boys. I'll have to bring them in.
Yeah, I know, something.
They're a little on the kooky side though.
Yeah.
Can you handle that?
My girl's cookier than that.
I bet. Alright. Am I almost done?
Almost.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry, I don't mean to rush you.
Okay, now I have to go slow doing this.
Yeah. You don't want to rush it and then have it not come out good. That's a cute costume, huh? It's like a butterfly or something.
I have 2 girls.
Oh, you do have 2 girls?
Yeah, one wants to be a Barbie doll and one wants to be a princess.
Oh. That's good.
One just freaks about the stuff. And I have 1 boy.
Oh, you do?
Mm-hmm.
How old?
It's almost 4 months.
He's almost 4 months. Does he cry a lot?
Well, not really.
No. Is he a good sleeper?
Really.
Good. You must be doing something right then.
You look fantastic for having a boy 4 months ago.
Who's the guy? You're so fun.
Well,
Is he getting his haircut next?
yeah.
Oh.
You're just waiting.
You're
all done?
Does he come here often?
Well, that's it. Is it my turn?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
Great.
You have to put water on your hair.